Hi guys, and a massive warm welcome back to the channel. And today guys, we've just got a little bit of a update video on Project Astra. Now, as you'll notice, the front splitter is missing off the XP kit off the front bumper. Now this front splitter was an absolute pig to find. I strolled the regular marketplace, eBay, owners clubs. Luckily enough, I managed to find a bumper that needed a lot of work, so it was a no-brainer. Take the front splitter off the bad bumper and put it onto my good bumper. So you'll see that I'm just putting a little bit of tiger seal down and I'm holding in with a few good cable ties. Then, just for added protection, I put a tiny little bead of tiger seal on the front edge just to stop him cracking and coming away. And I must say, I'm very happy with how this splitter is sat on this bumper. So before I painted him in Summit White, which is the Vauxhall colour, I added a few coats of high build primer. This is this dull grey colour. And then it was on to the base. And just remember guys, when you're spraying base, you hardly spray anything on the first coat. Then you build it up with a second coat, and then the third coat, go for it. So there's just me, this is me spraying the clear coat after I've had 3 coats of white and then 3 coats of clear. And I am so happy. For a rattle can job in the middle of October in my garden, I think you'd all agree it looks a hell of a lot better than what it did. That splitter has made this front end a lot more nicer looking. So now we've got the bumper and splitter all sorted. These alloys was absolutely terrible. I think they've hit every curb in South Wales. And a bit of advice, if you are going to tackle your own wheels guys, make sure you got one of these. Now I ordered a 2-inch and a 3-inch with various grits of sandpaper, and it was an absolute godsend. So this wheel needed a lot of filler. This is what the dark grey is. But going through the various stages of sandpaper, I went to an 80 grit, then a 120, then a 240, 360, all the way to a 600 grit on these. So instead of messing about with masking tape, cut myself a couple of inches of hose pipe just to check him over the tyre valve. And I'm just going across here with a tack rag. And the purpose of that is just to make sure this wheel is as clean as it can be before we start spraying some grey primer. So now the wheel is all primed up nice and dry. Left it for a couple of hours. We're going to sand it down now with a wet and dry 600 just to get rid of any high spots that we got, just so we can have a perfect finish and a perfect surface ready to spray the base colour on these wheels. And guys, if you've ever tackled this job yourself, whether it's a bumper respray or an alloy wheel refurb, let me know down in the comment section what you did differently. And also, while you're down there, let me know how I've done. I love reading the comments. I love interacting with you guys. So put the comments down below, please. So now with just one last wipe down with a tack rag, just to ensure there is nothing on this surface from where we've been sanding down. So nothing is going to get underneath the paint. Back on with our little hose, and it's time to start spraying. And it's time for 3 coats of Auto Glim Silver Alloy Wheel Spray. Now, like I said, guys, start off light for the first coat, build it up on the second coat, and then third coat you can go all in. And this is how I'm going to leave it, guys. I'm very, very sorry. There is another video coming out the second week of January where all will be revealed, where the wheels will be on the car will be all polished, absolutely looking superb, and it will be the last video on this car. I've had so much fun doing this car, guys. But if you do like what you've seen, guys, massive thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and I will catch you on the next one. Take care, bye-bye.